Don't do that. Get your hands up. Police.
Kick that door, Reynolds.
Welcome back to SI Bodycam. On June 6, 2025, Williamson County Sheriff's deputies responded to a home invasion on Drake Road near Creal Springs. The homeowner confronted an unknown male who had forced entry into a residence. After she brandished a pair of scissors, the suspect fled on foot into a wooded area. Deputies and AK-9 unit began tracking him.
There to see if the guy was up there first.
Okay.
And then he's coming try to help me figure out about
Go ahead.
my door.
I'm coming through Creal. I'm gonna come down that way on Pleasant Valley and come right across.
10-4.
So, make a long story short, she was inside unpacking. He come in that back door over there, kicked it twice. It's the frame and everything's all busted in. There's a boot print on the door. She was like, "Hey, what the hell are you doing in my house?" And backed him out of the house with a pair of scissors. She said, "Oh, I thought I was supposed to be here," and just took off that way.
Thought he was supposed to be in here kicking the door in.
That's allegedly what he said.
That like down the road or?
No, she went through the grass down the fence row.
Okay.
So he wants to file a complaint. I talked to Sergeant Burrow. He said if you want to try to track him. And
Where's the fence at?
so you see where that barrel is right there?
Oh yeah.
She said he went across that yard down that way, and then she lost sight of him as he got around that curve. But I don't know if he made it all the way to Drake or not.
Okay. He's had a while. It took me. I was at the office whenever it came out. So.
Yeah, I was all the way down here in Creal. That's why I was like, hey, it's 79 late.
Yeah.
Kind of like a hotter ordeal.
Yeah, we can get her out and try.
Okay. So, obviously, criminal damage and would it be home invasion?
Yeah, that's what I would say. I think we'd see some tracks in the mud down here. I said I would think we will when we. Netta, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, shoot it. Shuke. I don't know. Here's 6-1, half dozen the other. She's not really showing me anything. Which one we want to try? Yep. Try to make contact here. I mean, she's not showing me anything, but There's a dog barking in there, I know.
I saw, I guess, the tail end of that fence, isn't it?
Oh.
That building, I just saw that wire move.
The track led deputies to a detached garage on Pleasant Valley Road. Through a window, Sergeant Searles observed a male matching the suspect's description inside the building holding a shoulder-mounted long gun. Deputies gave multiple commands to the man to show his hands and drop the weapon. Instead of complying, the suspect quickly swung the rifle in the direction of the deputies.
So she don't know who that truck belongs to?
She said she's not sure. She said
There's a
she's
cell phone in it?
correct. I pulled the keys out of it and put the keys in my car so it didn't scoot out of there while we were. In case he went to ground somewhere and we just walked right past him and he jumps in his car and tries to jet out of there while we're down here.
Hey, sir! Hey, Sheriff's Department. Hey, get your hands up! Get your hands up! Don't do that! Get your hands up! Don't do that! Get your hands up! Police!
Kick
Get your hands up!
that door. Meta, here, Meta, Fooey! Meta, off!
Get covered.
County 48, we got shots fired.
See anything?
County, we got shots fired. I don't see anything.
Tell them we're all secure at the moment.
10-4, deputy secure.
I got it. I'm going to hold it up for a second. Gotcha.
Can you track 14 squad?
I got it. Hold on a second.
He doesn't have a computer. It's not looking at it. We'll try.
10-4. County, we're off Pleasant Valley.
Let me handle the radio.
Sorry.
County 14.
Yeah, I can. They're still not secure. They're waiting for more units to get here.
We've got
that. We've only cleared, Gerald, you've only cleared the residents, right?
we couldn't get in. It was dark. We couldn't get, no sight of anybody, no response. So,
Okay, so we haven't cleared anything.
no.
I think it's coming from the pole barn, right?
Yeah. Right here.
Right here at the pole barn.
Who you on with?
Dusty.
Okay. Thinking
Okay.
there's no windows on the other side coming this
Okay.
way.
Once we get more units
get
here, I
that
can
walk through the
peel
door
off and start the
without
search warrant.
crossing windows.
Okay.
Go up with a shield.
Okay, thanks.
At least get that door open, see if we can maybe see it, because if he's down, I want to start trying to get some kind of medical.
I haven't heard anything since we got over to here, so.
I had heard anything on that backside either.
Philip. Say again?
Was that slide locked?
I don't know.
Well,
That's where he should be. He's on this side. He's on this side. I didn't see in there. I was backed off with the dog, but I know he's on this side because it was that first window
Okay.
that he's seen him through.
yeah.
I assume there might be a split right here too. They're like, this is like a parking area and that's more quarters.
Okay. 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 Good enough. All right. See it. Yeah, everybody clear on that?
Yep.
So over here, over here on that far corner. Okay, so I don't see if maybe the ABC. Okay. Okay, on the far corner over there, from that corner up to these windows where we're doing curves, there's no windows. On the back side? Yeah, coming up and then coming up the front, there's no windows up until that walk-through door. And we go up there, get that door open at least where we can try to talk to him if he's movable in there. Or see if he's down. In this building right here? Yeah, yeah. Okay, so if you come over here.
That window.
First window right here.
It's hard to see in there.
If he's down, he's probably down just beside that window. Okay. So we need definitely start one right here. think everything on the property. But I mean, I think we're good, and we do investigations, I'll defer to you, but I believe we're good to do an initial search to make sure that we have safety.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Start keeping there for S3, please.
Occupants of the residence, come to the door with your hands empty and raised. This is the sheriff's office. Do it now. Sergeant, you want me on you, or you want me back
Nope,
up
just
on
right
the
where you're at.
car?
Right where you're at.
Sergeant Anderson's coming up the driveway.
Hey, if you're hurt, let us know. We're trying to get you medical attention. The sheriff's office, come to the door with your hands empty and raised. Do it now.
All right, we can move out wide and go all the way around.
Okay.
Once we get around there, we can move pretty easy. There's no
I don't know. Do you know if that slide right there is locked or unlocked? Because I don't want him to slide that open behind us.
Okay. Well, one of you
The
can stand back
sheriff's
and hold
office,
that.
come to the door with your hands empty and raised. Do it now.
I'll move on you, Sarge.
Yep.
I don't see any holes on this side. I bet there's a wall in between there.
Yeah, there's rooms, yeah. Maybe it's put me in mind like a man bar, like an
Yeah,
apartment or something.
like some living quarters in there.
48, we're going to kind of pop out in front of here. Hello? Huh? Well, I'm just trying to make sure. I'm just trying to make sure that we have for medical attention. I don't know if he's down or not. So. No, we were drawn at. Yeah. Yes. I don't know. We were moving, and I was getting bit by a dog at the same time. So. Oh yeah. He just got my pants. It probably would have to be. With you being there at the airport, absolutely grab the MRAP and head this way if you would. Okay. Okay. I've got Darren on, and him and Favre are handling the county right now. Just handling calls. I've got investigate. I've got 5 or 6 down here with me. I mean, we're good with manpower, and we've got EMS staging, and I think Dusty's going to start working on a search warrant.
Stop talking.
Yeah, okay. If anything happens, we will move straight that way. Okay. If anything happens, we move straight that way to get out of his way.
Got it.
If he steps out here, we've got it. You move that way. Okay? If they can have good cover, but only if they have good cover.
You want me to reach around? You can grab that handle. Once you get the shield.
Yeah, are you able to?
Watch those windows.
I can see.
So, just to the side, there's a big open area here.
Okay.
There's a wall right here with a door, like an apartment door.
Okay. That's what he is or was.
Let me dry my hands. I got.
backing up.
We'll move in there and get offset cover on this door. You'll see what I mean when we get in there.
Okay.
There's a long pole in there. I'll use that to push that door open.
Okay. Got it.
So just quietly move. Okay.
We're gonna try to help you.
Can we come around this side?
Whatever you're most comfortable with is fine.
Let's work that square first.
Yeah. Don't move. We're gonna try to get you out. If you reach for that gun again, we're.
Hey, is he reaching? No. Then stop saying that because you're making us think he's reaching. Okay. Can you see anything?
He's hit, or he's got blood on his hands. He's not moving. I see his one hand's behind his back over there by that dog.
Okay, you guys stay right where you're at. You and Smith, stay where you are. Or actually, Esther, you get right here where Baker's at, please.
Okay. You can see one hand on the
You
floor.
guys keep eyes on him. We're going to move to him, okay?
I'll let this breathe for a second. Okay, we're moving. I'll just stop. We're moving in.
Push.
Okay, yeah, he's got holes in him. He's down.
All right. That dog's right there.
Yeah.
You want to see if you can get control of the dog? Come here, baby.
It's stuck.
That's true.
I got gloves too.
I don't feel pulse.
Okay. You got a first aid kit? Anybody got a first aid kit in their car? He said he's getting one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have another pair with you, do you?
No, it's all I got.
No. You have any gloves on your Parks?
Just the ones on my hands.
No, I meant latex. That's fine.
Pick him up. Or...
I don't think it's needed. Hey, watch that. Watch that gun. I don't know if it's loaded. It's right there. That lever action is in his feet. It's on camera where it was.
Okay. No, it is unloaded.
As always, thank you for watching SI Bodycam. Sergeant Searles discharged his service weapon, striking the suspect. The man, later identified as Jesse A. Shelton, was pronounced deceased at the scene. A lever-action rifle was recovered next to his body. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Consider becoming a channel member where I post my entire video collection. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with all Southern Illinois police activity.